Everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the PLUMS, a free UPSC series. As part of this PLUMS, we are going to deal 5 MCQs related to different subject on every day. So today 5 MCQs related to CSAT, Math, Aptitude and Reasoning will be dealt by me. My name is Vaishnavi. So this is episode number 258. So in the same way, daily 5 MCQs at 9 PM will be dealt by different faculty regarding different subjects. So if you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing this exam. So before starting the video, just one note that I want to give is please subscribe to this channel because there are lots of free content which is already there in the channel. And also save this number 7200681675 and WhatsApp to this number if you have any doubts regarding our channel or regarding UPSC or test series or etc and etc regarding UPSC. Okay, now let's start today's lecture. The respective ratio between the speeds of car, jeep and a tractor is 3:5:2. The speeds of the jeep is 250% the speed of the tractor, which covers 360 km in 12 hours. What is the average speed of the car and jeep together? So while you're solving maths problems, what you have to do is you have to divide the question and read it carefully so that you'll understand the question. So first thing that you need to have is understanding of the question is something which is very much required for solving mathematics questions. So let's read it bit by bit. A respective ratio between the speeds of the car, jeep and tractors are 3:5:2. So when you're reading the question, you have to write the data in the rough space so that it will be easy to solve. The speed of a jeep is 250% the speed of the tractor, which covers 360 km in 12 hours. So let's find the speed of the tractor because the data are already given. Speed is equal to speed of the tractor is nothing but speed of the tractor is equal to distance it travelled by time it taken. So the distance travelled is 360 by 12 hours. So the speed of the tractor is 30 km per hour. Right. And the speed of the jeep according to the question is 250% of the speed of the tractor. So the speed of the jeep is 250% of the speed of the tractor, that is 30. After finding this, you will get the speed of the jeep. So the final values that we have got. So the speed of the tractor is something which we have got as 30 km per hour. So 30 into 250 is nothing but 75 km per hour. That is the speed of the jeep. And the ratio that they have given is 3:5:2. Right? 3:5:2. So we have to find the speed of the car now. Okay? The speed of the car is 3. According from the ratio, the value of the car is 3 by the value of jeep is 5. Right, into the actual value of jeep is 75. After doing this, you will get the speed of the car. So 3/5 into 75 is nothing but 45 km per hour. So we have got the speeds of jeep and car. They have asked us in the question the average between the speeds of the car and the jeep. So the car speed is nothing but 45 plus the speed of the jeep is 75 by 2. The value is 60 km per hour. So option B has 60 km per hour. So option B is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. Aisha's father was 38 years of age when she was born, while her mother was 36 years old when her brother 4 years younger to her was born. What is the difference between the ages of her parents? So the question is saying that Aisha's father age is 38 years when she was born. Okay. And her mother's age is 36 years when her brother was born. Her brother is 4 years younger to him. Younger to her. So now at present, what is the difference between their ages? This is what they're asking in the question. So the first thing that you need to have while solving the question is, as I already told you, you have to understand the question. If you understand the question, more than half of the job is done. Okay. So mother's age when Aisha's brother was born is 36 years old. Father's age when Aisha's brother was born is, it is definitely 38 plus 4. Because why we have done plus 4? It's because Aisha is 4 years elder to her brother. That's why the age of the father when her brother was born is 38 plus 4, that is 42 years. So the age difference between the two people will remain same always, right? So the difference between 42 minus 36 is 6 years. So 6 years is the difference between her father and mother. So option C is the correct answer for MCQ number 2. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. A solid sphere is melted and recasted into a right circular cone with a base radius equal to the radius of the sphere. What is the ratio of the height and the radius of the cone so formed? So here, whatever it may be, if it is recasted, the volume of the sphere and the cone will remain the same. So we have to equate the volume of the cone and the sphere. That's it. We will get the answer. So the radius of the solid sphere, let's take it as r. So the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right, this is the formula. And the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So when you equate these both volumes, here 3 and 3 gets cancelled and pi gets cancelled. R cube and r square gets cancelled and the remaining is 4r is equal to h. So h by r, it's nothing but 4. So what they have asked in the question, what is the ratio between the height and the radius of the cone so formed? So that is what we have got. Height and the radius and the height ratio is 1:4. Okay, they have asked us the ratio of height and radius, so 4:1 is the correct answer. So option D is the correct answer for MCQ number 3. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. The average age of 3 children in a family is 20% of the average age of the father and the eldest child. The total age of the mother and the youngest child is 39 years. If the father's age is 26 years, what is the age of the second child? Okay, let's solve this. So the average age of the 3 children, let's take the children's age as C1, C2 and C3. Average age is 20% by 3. Average age of this 3 is 20% of the age of the father and the eldest child. So let's take the eldest child as C1 plus F. Okay. The total age of the mother and the youngest child. Let's take the youngest child as C3. Mother plus C3, it's nothing but 39 years. If the father's age is 26, what is the age of the second child? They're asking if the father's age is 26, what is the age of the second child? Okay. So the same thing we have taken, right? So here one thing we have mistaken is, so they have told that it's the 3 children average is 20% of the average age of the father and the eldest child. So we didn't take by 2. Okay. So here in the solution they have taken the age of the children as A, B and C. We have taken C1, C2, C3. Whatever it may be, the same solution. A plus B plus C by 3 is equal to, according to the question, so it is 20% of eldest son and the father's average. So this is what we have written in the first step. And if you solve this, you will get it as 3f is equal to 7a plus 10b plus 10c. And the other equation is m plus c is equal to 39. So as father's age is 26, we can substitute the father's age in this equation, in this particular equation. So 7a plus 10b plus 10c is equal to 3 into 26, that is 78. And the other equation is m plus c is equal to mother's plus smallest child age is equal to 39. So there are more than 3 variables, there are 4 variables and there are only 2 equations. Thus the value of the b cannot be determined. The value of the second child is cannot be determined. So option D is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 5. Consider the set S equal to 2, 3, 4 so on till 2n plus 1, where n is a positive integer greater than 2019 if x is the average of the odd integers in set S and y is the average of the even integers in set S. What is the value of x and x minus y? So let's solve. So the odd numbers in the set are, so if you substitute 1 in the place of n in the 2n plus 1, you will get it as 3. So the first odd number will be 3 and the second odd number will be 5, so on till 2n plus 1. Right. What is the formula for the sum of the odd numbers? N square plus 2n. Okay. That is what we have written here. The average of the odd numbers is nothing but this value by n. The total numbers are n. So n and n gets cancelled. So value will be n plus 2. And in the same way, in the given list, what are the even numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, so on till 2n. Okay. The value the value of the sum of the even numbers. It's nothing but n into n plus 1. And the average of the even numbers is by n. N and n gets cancelled. N plus 1 is the average. So the difference between the averages of even and odd numbers is nothing but odd numbers is n plus 2 and even numbers is n plus 1. So the difference is 1. So option B is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. So option B is the right answer. That is it for today's video. I hope so you've enjoyed this video. Let's meet with another interesting video in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.